Imagine stepping onto an island where black volcanic sands meet icy waves and steam rises from the shoreline. Welcome to Deception Island, a remote marvel shaped by a submerged volcano. Here you can soak in natural geothermal beaches where the sand beneath your feet is unexpectedly warm. Explore hauntingly beautiful ruins of old whaling stations, their history echoing through the windswept caldera. Marvel at rugged cliffs and nesting seabirds, all set against a surreal backdrop. Would you dare to plunge into these steaming polar waters? Share this adventure with someone who loves the extraordinary.